Welcome back. In this episode I will show you the parts where we shoot in our last part together. So this will form the arms. There's the left side and the right side, and this is the bodies. Alright, this is for the neck, and this one is for the neck lining. Okay, let's get into it. First up, put this one face down, inside goes down, and then you bring the other arm, you connect this one, the right side facing the other right side, and you connect it right here like this. Okay, yep, you see, like that. A good way is always to use a needle to hold them together so that you can sew later, but I basically align them like that and start sewing. Yep. All right, put them in here and line it up, the bottom part to the bottom, and there you go. Show a little bit of back stitch, roll the end together. It's easy. Once when you get a hang of it, it's very easy. Okay, this one's done. We bring the other one, which is this. We'll attach it. Same thing as we did in the first. The other one, same way. A couple of back stitches. Okay, now you see this is what we have. All right, there's the bodies, there's the arm, one side, and the other side is this one. So we will attach these bodies onto that one. To attach the bodies, you get the edge of one arm to the end of where you start the pleating. Yep, this one, and then you align it nice and smooth so that you can show them. So that's how I do it. Align it up, put it right in here, and sew away. Okay, that's what it should look like. So here I will show you how I usually attach the neck. So every other people have their own ways of doing it, but I like to do it this way because this way it's not tangled or anything. So this is what we need for the neck. Stretch it out. Usually I cut it longer. It's not definite, but must be longer than the neck lining. Usually about 32 inches. So attach it like that. You see. So it's that's the back inside part facing up, and that's the inside part facing up. So when you fold, this one shows out with this one, but it's pretty neat afterwards. It's much easier when you use the pin to take them and then just show them away. But if you don't use the pin, it's alright, and you can stop from time to time to check to make sure they're all lined up properly, and you continue to sew. Okay, we're good. The extra hand, just gonna chip it off like that with the scissors right here. And then you fold, bring the other fold back over where the thread lining is, like that, and then you can sew. It's always a better way to do it. Good practice to use needles to hold them in place, and then you sew them. So I would, if you're a beginner or if you're an intermediate like myself, you just always use a pin. I am just not a big fan of using pins to tag them. All right. We are almost there. Just a few more stitches and we should be done with the neck, and we will join them together. And as soon as we join them, you'll see that the shape will come out clear of our beloved Meri Blouse. Okay, there you go. Alright, once you're done, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, this is what it should look like across. Okay, there, and then like that, the right side inwards, and put the two ends together. So this will be the arm, and one part of the arm, and this is the other part of the bodies. You join them up, align them properly and nicely like that. Few back stitches. So this is at the neck, so you want it to be firm. And then the shoulder. So this will be the shoulder. From the arm. Okay, there we go. Just get a scissors and cut this excess parts. Alright, that's what you should get. As soon as you connect this side and this side, and you put the rubber band here, put the rubber band around here, you will have a very nice Meri Blouse. This is where you put another rubber band. Must be of equal length each side. What I normally do is I measure half the entire circumference of my arm. Half the measurement of this length, and I cut the rubber. So when I fit them in, it shrinks and it fits really well. So that's how I get the arm all to fit really nice. Alright, now to the part where you want to join the sides. You just align them nicely like that, and then you sew them all the way down from here, all the way down to the end, like that. You sew it from this part all the way down here. Then you insert the rubbers. What I normally do is I will have to insert the rubber first and then sew down later, so I will do that and then I'll show you later on how we can sew the rest of the side down. See you then. Alright, I have completed inserting the rubber here, so now we can connect the sides. Just align them properly like that, and we will sew straight down the sides. A couple of back stitches like that, so it holds firm. It is always important to use pins to take them along and then align them properly as you sew the fabric together. So that's it, we're done. You see, putting the rubber and sewing the sides, so it looks like this to the end. Yep, you see, so you should have something like this. You do the same on the other side and you will have a lovely Meri blouse. These are basically things you do at home rather than buying it at the market, which are quite expensive these days. So finally, your final product would look something like this. So from the cutting to the final product, that's what you should have. Alright, you can basically fold it back into two and you see, yep, there you go. It's a pretty nice one there. So now that you know how to do it, you can do it easily at home. The fabrics are available in the stores near you. You can buy them, they're pretty cheap, and you can sew one for yourself. Alright, the next episode I will bring you, I'll show you how you can insert the rubber in the armhole like this. Until then, we see you. Bye bye.